America today is deeply divided, not just over domestic issues, but over how the country should engage with the world. This divide, known as political polarization, goes beyond party line. It's about identity, values, and radically different visions of America's place in the world. And when it comes to foreign policy, this polarization has fractured into three distinct mindsets, which are the Democrats, pre-Trump Republicans, and post-Trump Republicans. Democrats often champion global cooperation, climate action, human rights, and multilateral diplomacy. They view international institutions like the UN or NATO as essential to stability. Pre-Trump Republicans, once dominant in the GOP, were traditionally hawkish and pro-free trade. They supported strong alliances, international leadership, and a robust U.S. military presence abroad. Post-Trump Republicans, shaped by Donald Trump's America First ideology, are skeptical of globalism. They are more inward-looking, favoring unilateral action, trade protectionism, and cutting foreign aid. These mindsets aren't just theoretical, they translate into real-world policy choices.
Now let's talk about environmentalism. On climate change, Democrats prioritizing environmental diplomacy, like rejoining the Paris Climate Accord under Biden. Democrats see climate change as a top-tier global threat. This is different with the Republican view. Republican acknowledges climate issues, but often prioritize economic growth over regulation. They favored market-driven innovation and not international climate deals. All of this is more extreme under Trump governance. Trump reject global climate initiative. Trump viewing them as bad for American industry, and many deny climate change or downplay its urgency, and pushing for energy independence through fossil fuels. When it comes to global cooperation, Democrats embrace multilateralism, like strengthening the UN, WHO, NATO, and more international coalition or organization. Meanwhile, the Republican also supported alliance, not out of idealism, but also in strategic tools to counter adversaries like Russia and China. But in the Trump era, Trump is more skeptical of international organization. Trump always questioning U.S. spending on NATO. They criticize UN and often prefer going it alone. For the example, Trump public threats to withdraw from NATO. They move unheard of in pre-2016 on GOP thinking. Okay, now we talk on human rights and democracy promotion. In Democrats' views, they frame U.S. foreign policy around human rights and democracy. They speak out on issues like ethnic cleansing, LGBTQ plus rights, and political repression abroad. Republican also back from democracy promotion, like the Freedom Agenda on Bush era. Meanwhile, in the Trump era, human rights and democracy are more transactional. They argue that focusing on foreign human rights distract from domestic priorities. This can mean friendly relation with authoritarian leader if it's in America's immediate interest. For the example, Trump's warm word from Kim Jong-un or silence on Saudi Arabia's role in the murder of Jamal Khashoggi.
Let's move to trade policy. Democrats have become more cautious on trade, worried about job losses and the labor rights. They still support global commerce, but want to gather labor and environmental standards. In the pre-Trump Republican were historical pro-free trades, like the passing deals like NFTA and TPP. In the era Republicans are aggressively protectionist, they view trade deficits as signs of weakness and the further thrives, like the especially on China. Uh, Trump's trade war with the China broke from decades from GOP orthodoxy and reshaped the party economic priorities. And the next, about military engagement and defense. Democracy often call for restraint and diplomacy first, while they still fund defense heavily. They wary of long wars, like us seen in Biden's withdrawal from Afghanistan. And the Trump era, where intervention like promoting a peace through strengthens. They backed the Iraq War and the believed in sustained global military footprint. In the Trump Republicans era, more isolation, like arguing that foreign war sweats American left as money. They focus on security and border defense, like not nation building overseas.